say, with another video. Today is going to be something a bit different. As you can see, we're not at our usual location, and we have this monstrosity set up. So this is going to be a series on the Fiesta called the Glow Up. So basically what we're going to be doing is a lot of body work is involved. You'll come to find, as you can see, we've got a spare set of grills that are previously glossed that we have just, I've sanded them down last night at 320, and we have filled in the gap with some plastic filler and a number plate. Same with spare front bumper. Still got to do these trims, even though they don't look too bad. This has been filled in, just got to rub it down. We'll be doing this frozen white. So those are not the only things we're doing. We've got a list as long as our arms. As you can see, we have a box over there which is full of stuff. Just to give you an idea, like some bonnet vents, got some vents for the bumper, got some ducts for the grills, so just small things. And Luke's just now painting, so I'm not going to go in there and bother him because there's fumes and stuff like that. But basically, we have a smooth rear bumper that he's literally just spraying now. We have some TRC side skirts that I bought second hand because you couldn't get them at the time, and the bottom of them were like just missing because the car, like the guy who had them before, his car was very low and it just scraped the crap out of them, really. There's no other way to put it. So we've fiberglassed them, and it took bloody ages. Well, it took us ages to actually get around to paint them. I fillered them the other night, rubbed them down. They're now prepped and they're ready to be painted. And we also have a custom front wing in there now that we have made ourselves, courtesy of Luke on that one. So we will be showing you how to do the wing on, because obviously we've got the other one to do, but just painting this one, test fitting it and seeing how it looks. So if we just peep our heads in quickly. And that's all you'll see for now. So I mean, we're not going to show too much prep on how to do this. If I'm honest with you, the bumper that we bought off Charlie anyway, so that was done. It was just a quick scotch with a grey scotch. This was just a number plate and then a plastic filler, so nothing too crazy in there. We just rubbed down with a 320 grit. Same with the side skirts, they are rubbed down with a 320. Nothing too crazy, but we'll try and sort of not bore you to details and show you a bit more finished products and sort of tell you a bit along the way on how we'll do this. But yeah, I mean, just sit along and enjoy the video, I suppose. Get in there. Just need, what is it, one more coat on this? Yeah, one more coat on the bumper and then it should be alright to lacquer. The wing is ready for lacquer, even though it looks quite nice already, to be fair. And then the skirts are also ready for lacquer as well, so just waiting on the case of the bumper to dry, 'cause it's still quite soft, and then we will be able to lacquer everything and hopefully have some nice shiny panels. That's ready for my favourite part. Luke's just tack clothing super seals now, or the side skirts, what we want to call them, just to get any bits of crap out of the base coat when it's applied. Different already compared to that one. I'll do that. So much better. Mate. But that is so satisfying. Honestly, I can't comprehend how satisfying that actually is for me. Now, lacquer to be applied to the custom wing. First coat done, looking good. A few bits of crap in it, but we'll be outside. Getting it, ain't it? Oh dear. Could do like some tweezers, isn't it? Pains of painting outside. You're always going to get bits of crap in your paint. Even though we have a nice gazebo up with walls all the way around, you always find something. Other than that, it's looking good. I think our custom vent in the wing looks pretty sick now that it's all in white. I've been itching to see it. Absolutely itching. These are looking pretty alright. Probably do another coat or two, but they look fantastic. Alright, so it's the next day. We were on our way to Luke's. Basically, the footage is a bit all over the place on this video, so I do apologise. But little update: TRC skirts are absolutely mint, so they are ready to go. The wing had a little bit of spray from the compressor, like a bit of water got in here from the bloody compressor, so we're gonna have to flat and polish that and see how that goes. I'll show all clips above me talking on this. And the rear bumper reacted, so that's re-stripped back down, ready to be 320'd today. And hopefully we'll have that in a nice frozen white coat by the end of it, but you're gonna have to wait till next week. So till then, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.